little clarity because of installation. The installation will always confusion until unless you're successfully installed. Okay, so here it is. What practical we are going to do is, I will explain it again. What is Jenkins continuous integration tool, right? Without Jenkins, with Jenkins, what is the difference? There is a lot of practicals you can able to do it. Of course, try to find my old videos about a Jenkins. Fantastically explanation is there. Practically also I done. Okay, okay. So this is my integration. So this is my Jenkins machine. Okay, without Jenkins, what I do? For example, I have a program is there. Okay, or a application is there. So I have to execute this application in my computer, right? So this is what we do. So simple example here in this my Linux PC. I have a slash um, project kind of stuff is there now. So I have some project is there. So B17 Pro dot 11 something project is there. So otherwise you can go to another project like a B 17 1. Okay, this is the location. In this location, I have two files. First file I'm going to execute. Okay, Mm, Python B17 and this. So this is I executed a file. You want to execute second one whether it is works or not. PyCal, it won't work. Why? Because there is a problem. Okay, it's a GUI mode program that is GI based. Okay. So this is CLI based. So in this particular location, I have a program. I have a program. So that is I executed. Understand? First point. Same thing. Same thing. How to you execute with a Jenkins? So what you have to do it? You have to tell where is your .py file to your Jenkins. Okay, and the Jenkins will execute based on your command. So you have to tell where the Python is installed also. Okay, how to execute, how to execute. Okay, what are the tools we have to use to execute, or what are the commands are used to execute? You have to tell to the Jenkins. Okay, so first of all, where is your source code and how to execute array, what to do? Is it are you want to testing, or you want to building, or you want to just executing? Okay, or you want to deploy, like that? What you want to do it? That is the second part. Understand, guys, what this second part? Okay, where is your code? Okay, so where is my code? The location of the code is this is a location. So what I'm doing is I'm building a sample project again, a sample project. So in this one, execute a Python file. Okay, Python file. The location, the original location is like this. This is the location. The file name is okay B17 Pro 1 .py. Okay, this is the location, and this is file name. So how to execute? We have seen manually how to execute Python. C or Python is also enough. So C pro1.py, or you have to give full path. Okay, you have to, either it is better to give full path is always best. Okay, so this is the command complete path. You can take it. So how to create? First go to Jenkins. Where is my Jenkins? Here it is. Jenkins dashboard. New item. I am creating freestyle project because these projects we are not building now. Okay, so this also like a demo py2, or you can put anything like one second, we'll go to dashboard. This is first demo, so like that we'll go to second demo, like this py demo 1, py demo 1 freestyle project. Click OK. So it is item is created. Then next point is how to configure. Description: execute Python file in local PC. Okay, it is not in a GitHub, right? So that's, this is only thing is we can understand what it is, what we are doing it. Source code management. Our code is not there in these locations, so none only. Build triggers. I don't want to build again and again. I don't want to depends upon any other thing. Build environments also I don't give any build environment kind of stuff. Okay, so only thing is build step. So go to I'm not in a Windows, I'm in a Linux. So execute shell. Where are you located, guys? So Python 3. Okay, we have to give the location, means like this, direct location, direct execution it is, not any specific kind of execution it is. So I given this, we'll see. This is post build action. So once it is executed, what to do, like that. So save it. Now, if you have any changes, you can change it. Otherwise, simply click build now. So what happened? The build is started already and completed also. So go to console output. See what is going on. See it is, this command is executed by Jenkins. We can get a output. Important is finished successful. Sometimes for certain things there is no output, but important is successfully executed or not. Compulsory read the all the steps, and whether the success is really success or not success, we can understand. Okay, so this is how to do a project. Guys, understand how you have I done with the Jenkins? Okay, now I don't want to split. I will go to the second one. So this is first one, manually execution. Second one, how to execute Python file with the Jenkins. Third one is separate. Okay, so the third one I will tell. Already I told, if my code is in GitHub, if my code is in GitHub, what to do? I want to execute the code which is in my GitHub. First of all, what to do, guys? Clone it into your local PC, right? Then give the command, so then you can able to execute. Like this is a Python file, right? So Python and file name .py executed, right? This is the step, right? So I am going to my Python file. So go to GitHub. Okay, my GitHub only open. See, it is. Um, I'm going to my repositories. This is very recent one which we have done. Here it is, right? Which we have done. Or I will take old one. Okay, why we should take same one again and again? This is Python file. Have taken. This is the Python file. Two values are there. So this is the project I want to execute. Take the link manually. Guys, understand where is the source code in GitHub. I want to execute it manually by taking cloning into local PC. This is always two ways, right? How to do it this thing, how to do like this. Okay. So in my previous directory, I went. Then I'm giving this command git clone and paste the link. Okay. So this is the folder you take it. ls, see the folder is came project 5p like this. ls, sorry, cd python cts6. There is a python file you can see. That's a docker file is also there. How to execute python py project 1. So it is b is greater than a, b plus a is 322. So this is the output of this one, right? It is manually have 10. How to do it? Same thing with the Jenkins. Okay, how to do it with the same thing with the Jenkins. So this is the my fourth one. Means third one is Jenkins, right? So this is I'm using Jenkins. Where is my source code? In a GitHub. Okay. So how to take the source code to Jenkins, and I will tell how to execute the command with the Jenkins. Okay. So this is what we have to do it. This is the third next one. Like this is fourth one. Guys, understanding or not? Understand the last point? Okay. So our source code is in GitHub. So this is the gate like this. This is the file name. Now I'm going to dashboard, create a new item, freestyle project only. But last project is like a Py demo 3. But this time source code is Git. Okay. Open. Okay. Only Jenkins will take 3 days. Okay. I can teach you basics at least by 1.5 day. But you need a more coding basic things. Okay. Git as a source code location. Okay. It is a Python file execution only. Okay. So just a description, guys. It do nothing. Next, source code management. But this time we know where is the source code. So select the Git and give it. Make sure it is public. So directly you can able to get it. If it is coming like this, it is a public. Guys, don't require any credentials or adding. Don't need it to add any credentials until unless it is a private or a compulsory credentials requirement. Do it. Okay. It is in a public, so no need to add any credentials. Select a gate. Give the your project git link here. Okay. I don't want to go with the build triggers. Um, if you want, you can delete a workspace. Okay, if you want, you can better to delete a workspace before you build start, or not required, or otherwise you want a date and timestamp. You can give build environments, which build environment you want it, you can try. That is your wish. Build, of course, same thing only. Python, execute the file. So what is the file name? Here it is. This is the file name, right? Execute the file. Save it. So build post build actions. I'm not doing anything. Okay. Save it. So if you want to do any configurations, do it. Otherwise, build now. So it is going on. See, it is going on, and you go to, so yeah, it is successful. That's why it is showing green. But you have to see the steps, how much it is successful. Okay. So it is cloning Git repository. See, I didn't give in any clone command, but Jenkins understand you should clone this repository. Clone the remote Git repository, cloning this. So it is run that command automatically. Just I given a link, but it is cloned into local. Once cloning is completed, it run the file Python py project 1, and we got an output here, and finally it is successful. When we are getting a successful outcomes, it is always see very good looking, right? So it is name, last success, last failure, last duration, built on Jenkins. It is showing. Okay, guys. What we do in a manually, same thing we have done in a with a Jenkins. I take the code from GitHub and I execute my file. Anything? Anybody want to execute a Java file? This is Maven project. I didn't install Maven. If I install a Maven, then definitely I will show you. I can install. This is Java file. Lot of Java files are there. So make sure that which Java file is working or anything. You cancel. So don't worry, it's a wrong one I selected. It's a Java classes. The class files you should not get it. Hello Java file. This is executing a Java file. Okay. This is my Java file, guys. How to execute manually. How to execute manually. So cd dot take first clone into your local PC. Okay. Git clone link. Now we got all the files in there. So cd that folder name AP basics. See, these are all Java files. Okay. So I want to execute Java. First of all, compile Java. So Java C hello Java dot Java. First compile the Java. What happened? Java C is couldn't found. Why? Yeah, that is problem with your environmental variables. The default. This is still default. That's the problem. Not today either. We should delete it or set it. Echo dollar. This is there. No, 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 that is wrong. I think I know where I done a mistake there. So 1 second, v slash etc slash profile. So better not to give this bin kind of stuff. Yeah, now see this. It's working here. That is the mistake. That is the mistake we have done. What is the mistake we have done? It is, look at here in a echo Java home. We should give this much only. But I given bin Java kind of stuff also. We should give this much only because the second line in the profile, the slash bin is also there. Now we can see it works. See Java C. Again, why Java C is not working? But Java version came. JDK is there. Java C is not working. It's okay. These are like that only. Leave it, leave it, leave it. So it kills the time. It kills the time. Okay. Uh, it works, but why it is killing? But one thing we understand, that is how to put a profile kind of stuff. Why Java C is not working? That is also, that's there is a bin. I installed JDK, so meaning is definitely Java C should be there. Um, JRE LS. No, the Java is not properly installed, so we'll see that one. Java C, that's the problem. First compile, then execute. That thing is not worked here, so no problem at all. Okay, guys, that's it. So forget about last point. So this is how Jenkins works. Okay, that's it.